Alright guys, so Pepecoin is right now up 100% from these lows, guys. Finally guys, Pepecoin is right now back. Right now guys, there is no denying that Pepecoin right now is one of the strongest meme coins. Pepecoin is back in the spotlight right now guys, and all the doubters right now are in disbelief with what's going on here with Pepecoin, guys. So if you've been following me right now guys, you know guys, I've been telling you guys I'm buying these dips. I don't care what's gonna happen guys. People are scaring us, scaring you right now, telling you we are having a recession, we're having this, we're having that, and look what happened guys. Pepecoin up 100% from the dips guys. So leave a like guys. I'm probably sure if you've been following me right now, you are in deep profits right now guys. So in today's video guys, we are gonna discuss what's next here for Pepecoin. What can we expect here? So a lot to be said here guys about Pepecoin, about what's coming here next on Pepecoin. So you do remember guys, I've been telling you about this resistance support, right? So we're finally above it, and exactly as predicted, I told you guys, we have a double bottom here, and then as soon as we reclaim, we retest, and then we fly away. And this is what's happening right now guys. So you can see here, we had a retest of that support, and then boom, we've seen Pepecoin flying. Now as usual guys, as usual, it's always funny. So people always come when prices are high and they wanna buy now, and as well when we have these dips, nobody cares, and it's usually happening. And I know you guys, the OGs that been following me, you know guys, right now I've been telling you here, usually people like to buy the highs and sell the top and sell the lows. So right now guys, we having more people joining again here on the crypto space. A lot of people right now are talking about Pepecoin. Right now Pepecoin is on the trending again. Pepecoin here on CoinMarketCap up 85% in the last 7 days. So this gonna bring in a lot of people wondering about Pepecoin. So I'm guessing right now a lot of people are interested into getting into Pepecoin. So if you're not into Pepecoin right now already, if you have no Pepecoin, you wanna be waiting right now guys. So right now, if I was on your shoes right now guys, I'll be waiting for the dips. And by the dips I mean right now guys, let me bring that fixed range tool. So the fixed range tool here guys, that shows you where most of the buys and sells happen, and usually it's a perfect tool to give you those support and resistances. And you can see this blue line here, the value area low here, this blue line was a perfect resistance here and support. So this guys means that this would be a perfect buying area here on Pepecoin. So you can see that 83.82. You can write this down somewhere and remember this number here on Pepecoin. So if we do get these dips here, and I mean if we do get this 83.82 guys, this would be a perfect entry on Pepecoin. I do not know if we're gonna get these levels, but as I said, if we do get those, that's gonna be perfect. Now I remember last time as well, back in the summer, I was as well looking for those levels to get some Pepecoin, and granted I got some Pepecoin here, and I was underwater for a long time, and I added even more here. And you can see guys, the way of investing here in the crypto space is by buying the lows and dollar cost averaging. So I got some Pepecoin here, and then I got again here, and overall right now here guys, I'm way in profits. And probably a lot of you guys who are following me, who've been following me, you are as well in the same spot right now. So again here, that's the same strategy. If you don't have any Pepecoin right now, that's the same strategy you want to apply, which means guys, if you get a dip here on that yellow line here, that's the point of control, that's where most of the buys and sells happen. So that's gonna be guys this level here, that 92.88 and that 83.82. so whenever we get these dips, I'm gonna buy more right now. So if I'm interested to add in even more Pepecoin, that's where I would be interested to buy more. So I hope this is clear for those that are waiting to buy the dips here on Pepecoin. Now you could still get some Pepecoin here guys, but the risk and reward are not the most optimal here guys. So we could still get dips. So for those that missed the pump recently here guys, don't stress yourself out here. I know a lot of people have been telling you recession, doomsday talking and stuff like that. we're still so early here, guys. We're still so early. We're just getting started. This is just the beginning of the bull market. Most people here right now don't even know what's going on here in the crypto space. Most people don't know even that BlackRock is interested into the space right now. Most people don't know even what's happening. So consider yourself really early here. Even if you hold no cryptocurrencies, you are still early just by the fact that you are watching this video right now, that you are involved in the crypto space, and right now that you are aware. And as well, guys, if you're not holding any cryptocurrencies, you are seeing right now these pumps happening. You have to understand the emotional nature of the market and how the market is gonna trigger your emotions to either buy the highs and sell the tops and make you lose money. So you need to understand your emotions. Most often, guys, when market goes down, a lot of people get fearful, and instead of buying, they are selling. And when the markets are pumping, what people get is greed, and instead of selling, they are buying. So this means, guys, you need to understand this. Next time when you get a dip and you feel fear and you think that's going down, it's over, you should remember this, what I'm saying right now, guys. Whenever there is fear in the market, you should be thinking about buying more. As well, whenever there is high euphoria in the market, people are going ham, going crazy, that's when you want to start thinking about selling. And going back to Pepecoin here, guys, Pepecoin first target for me is this one here, as I've been saying on my previous Pepecoin videos. The first target is here, which is that 1567, 1568, around here, guys. That's the first target for Pepecoin. And I'm not gonna lie here, this breakout here, guys, on Pepecoin looks pretty bullish. That is a massive bump, guys. Out of these lows, we have recovered a lot of ground now on Pepecoin. So for instance, guys, the last time we bounced on Pepecoin here, that was around 100% as well. And if you remember, I told you as well in previous videos that Pepecoin usually likes to pump these 100%. But right now we have something different happening, which is right now we gained a previous support, which is this one. So in the past here, we had the first bounce of that support, and then we went below it, we retested at resistance, and then we broke below it. But now we regained that. So that means, guys, we have added extra strength here on Pepecoin. Pepecoin extra forte here, guys. We have Pepecoin way back in the range, which most likely was gonna happen right now, that people right now are really interested into getting in Pepecoin, which means right now people have had enough of missing out. So you have to understand that the psychology of the market here is that people here were bearish, and then they saw this pump and they were like, maybe it's gonna go back down, and then it went back down, and then it confirmed their bias that Pepecoin could go back down and Pepecoin is dead. Especially we got this rejection, but now we are back here. So right now there is the deniers that were bearish right now, they have nothing else to say. So they actually right now Pepecoin has shown the world that it is a coin that is worth looking at, and it is a coin that could pretty much be one of these high performers in the bull market. And that means, guys, a lot of people are gonna want to buy the dips, and that means, guys, now Pepecoin is on that strength, and if any dips here gonna be way stronger, and we're gonna see way stronger rallies from those dips rather than what we've seen here, where the bias was more leaning bearish, was more skeptical towards Pepecoin. But right now we can't deny the fact that Pepecoin here, guys, is still putting in those high gains. We can't deny the fact that Pepecoin is one of the strongest meme coins, as usual, one of the highest gainers. Whenever we get any pumps, Pepecoin is one of the highest gainers. So which brings me to my point, guys, here is any dips right now are not gonna be the same as we've seen here before. Like here we had that 100% pump, and then we slowly faded away. I do not think this would happen again, as right now the bias is changed. Now the bias is towards people are greedy now. People are looking to buy any dips. People are hoping, wishing they get a dip right now. So you need to understand right now, guys, that any dips will push us higher, which means, guys, that sooner than expected we could see Pepecoin back towards this all-time high. And to be honest with you, I was thinking this is gonna take a while, especially that we were thinking a bull market is a bit ahead of us, maybe 6 months ahead, but it looks like Pepecoin is gonna do this sooner than later, guys. It looks like we're probably gonna keep going towards that all-time high sooner than later. So that's the plan here on Pepecoin so far here. Those are my targets. As I said, that's the first one here around that 1570, and then the next one is the all-time high, guys, because from here, guys, as soon as we clear these levels here, we clear this, Now there is no more resistance on the way other than the all-time high. So as soon as we get here, we see Pepecoin flying. That is why, guys, I think the first target is that 1570, and then from there we're gonna see Pepecoin going for another all-time high, and we might not even get that dip. So most likely we hit here and then we get a dip somewhere here. Wherever that dip happens, that's gonna be another buy opportunity before going further ahead on Pepecoin. So guys, remember, I will keep you updated on my channel. I'm talking about Pepecoin here. I'm updating you guys on Pepecoin here every day, almost every day. So you can as well join my Discord. It's free to join. You can ask me any questions there. So if you wanna stay updated with Pepecoin here, you know what to do right now, guys. You wanna subscribe. I'm keeping you updated. I'm pretty sure right now all the people that be following me now all along are pretty deep in profits right now with Pepecoin. So congratulations, guys. That makes me really happy right now, guys, to see those gains right now here, to see that we were right all this time buying the dips here while people were thinking, oh, that's a meme coin, that's a shit coin, has no utility, none of that, and we're seeing it rallying. Now that's the crazy part about the meme coins, guys, is it really proves that the crypto space has nothing to do with utility. Like, let's look at DOT. Let's say this probably been the coin with the highest utility back in the days, right? So look at that chart, guys. No wonder why people hate meme coins. So in this space, utility does not seem to be much of a matter or much of a factor that indicates if a coin is gonna pump or not. So you just can see this, guys. DOT is dead. DOT is just putting in lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. It's crazy to see that Polkadot here is almost dead. And then we look at Pepecoin, guys, and we see these huge gains. And we look at Dogecoin, guys. Even Dogecoin is looking better than Polkadot, guys. So that's why, guys, people really hate on meme coins. It's because meme coins, they prove many people wrong. A lot of people hate meme coins. They don't want to buy them. They say, oh no, utility, where meme coins are useless in the markets and stuff like, and they still pump, guys. People still, because right now, guys, the most important is the narrative and its community. If people are really in the community, are holding, people are talking about the coins, people love the coins, and the narrative is strong, like the meme coin narrative is strong, we're always gonna see the meme coins pumping. But when you look at something like DOT, guys, something like DOT, where they say they are this huge infrastructure project, cryptocurrency, that's this noble cryptocurrency, and that is gonna solve the world's problems and stuff like that, and you can see it dead. Why? Because nobody really cares. There is no community behind the coin. Nobody really cares what the coin is gonna do, like what infrastructure they are building, what stuff they are doing. We can see here, guys, the community is the most important when you're trying to look for coins in the crypto space. Now look at DOT right now, guys. It's sad to see that this is what utility means in the crypto space. It means nothing right now, guys. Utility means nothing. Although right now DOT could rally anytime, but you could see right now the meme coins are really taking the space over. So whenever I see people hating on meme coins, it just makes me happy right now, guys, because it just makes people mad to see meme coins doing better than their favorite projects that have utility and they're solving the world's hunger or whatnot. So that's as a side note, guys. Anyway, so probably the next video gonna be about Dogecoin, guys, as well. As you can see here, Dogecoin is about to break out. So Dogecoin is about to do something really nasty here, guys. Dogecoin is about to break out as well, and we could see Dogecoin really rallying. So you could see here somewhere, just back to that level here, just back to that last year's high, guys, is around 180% on Dogecoin here. So Dogecoin is slowly going there. So probably next video is gonna be about Dogecoin, guys. You can see here Dogecoin breaking out as well. So whenever I see the meme coin space rallying like this, right now it seems like Pepecoin is the leader. Whenever Pepecoin is leading, like recently in here we've seen Floki the first to start rallying, and then Pepecoin joined in, and then Shiba Inu, and then Dogecoin. So right now I think Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are about to rally as well. So probably next video is gonna be about these two. As we can see here, Dogecoin not bad here, guys. So if we go back to that previous yearly high, is around 140%, 180% here. Anyways, guys, I hope this clears out the dust a bit for Pepecoin, what to expect here next on Pepecoin. If you have any more questions, as I said, you can join my Discord. It's free, the link in the description. Now for those that are trading derivatives, guys, right now, not how many people can trade on Bybit right now due to KYC and whatnot. So right now I'm using FairDesk. You don't need no KYC, no VPN to join. As well, you get a great bonus on your deposit up to $35,000, and as well you get a VIP 5 by using my link. You get a VIP 5, which means your trading fees get drastically reduced compared to most of the exchanges. You can trade as well most of the coins here, including Pepe Coin. So I'll leave you the link in the description for those that are interested, guys. And as well, guys, if you want to stay updated, if you want a non-BS update about the crypto space, about Pepe Coin, no fear mongering, no recession talk, stuff like that, keeping you fearful in the market, not getting in the market and then missing out the pumps, you want to subscribe, guys. I'll keep you updated. No BS talks here, guys. We're just looking at what's happening and I'm just showing it to you guys, keeping you updated here, guys. And remember as well, this is my humble opinion, nothing is financial advice. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.